What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. And tonight I am going to do a little come cook with me. I've been super anxious over this past weekend, and I know it's because I've been on the computer a lot doing schoolwork, and I decided that I'm going to make some comfort food. And tonight's comfort meal is going to be some vegetarian chili. It's not super cold here in Georgia yet. It's like, I would say in the 70s, lower 70s percentile. Like I woke up this morning, it was like on 60 degrees. Not 60, 70 degrees. Anywho, so I'm gonna bring you guys to come make some dinner with me. So come on, let's see what I do. All right, so I'm gonna start some chili. I'm just gonna put it in a pot, let it all cook for a little bit, and eat it. So I'm gonna make it very quick. So a lot of stuff, not a lot of stuff, the stuff I have isn't like 100% organic and fresh ingredients. It's not gonna be that type of meal tonight. And honestly, it's never gonna be always that type of meal whenever you eat plant-based. It's just not. Like, there's some times where you're gonna eat out, there's some times where you're gonna eat processed, and that's just normal. So anywho, I'm gonna show you how I make mine whenever I'm feeling, like I said, lazy. Sometimes I do soak beans and put it in a crock pot and do all that, but honestly, that's just not what's gonna happen tonight. And I wanted to show you guys something that you can make real quick. It doesn't have to have meat in it for it to taste good. And it's still vegetables at the end of the day. So this is what I have. I got all of my canned veggies, black eyed peas, carrots, tomatoes, more tomatoes, but this has like okra and corn, and then some kidney beans, and then I got some ground crumbles. These are actually pretty good. I've used them for spaghetti. I've used them for tacos, like it shows them like in a little picture, and I use them. So I'm gonna put all that in a pot, rinse off my peas and stuff like that, and we're gonna keep this video flowing. Future Ashley here. I realized whenever I was editing this footage that one, it's back whenever it was starting to get cold, and now it's starting to get hot again. So that. And also, I never said goodbye. So this is me saying goodbye. Thank you for tuning into this video. Thank you for subscribing if you have. Um, Let me know in the comments if you want to see something else. I'm trying to get back into YouTube, and I guess, a little clueless on what people want to watch nowadays. I love watching day in the lives and cook with me videos. But if you want anything different, just let me know. But anyways, peace guys.